Ipaharu gilangit zaniguihan gitasi.
Buenas dan saludo si CHamoru. Today I'll be reading a psalm from the 1908 CHamoru Bible. There is a website, chamorubible.org, where you can find this entire Bible there, all of the CHamoru translation, as well as some audio recordings. One other thing that I'll say about this Bible is that because it was published in 1908, the orthography that's used is kind of obsolete. And so when I read this Bible, it's actually a really slow process because I'll have to kind of read it slowly the first time so that I could see where each word in the modern orthography starts and ends. And then the second time that I read it over, it's a lot smoother. And so for today's video, I copied and pasted Psalm 8 from chamorubible.org onto my laptop and then kind of manually rewrote it into the modern orthography. And then I also listened to the audio recording so that my pronunciation could be as correct as possible. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing today. Just reading Psalm 8 in CHamoru and kind of listening to my own pronunciation afterwards. This is not really for educational purposes, more for entertainment and maybe to just be someone online who you can study alongside or be learning alongside. I'm not sure if that makes sense, but that's what the purpose, I think, of this YouTube channel is for. Okay, Psalm 8. O Hehoba Señot-måmi, håfa minalak-mu tano, pumo'lo minalak-mu hilo langet. Ginen mandikike mañususo pumo'lo minetgot enimigu-mu siha. Sa para unasuha enimigu ume'emok. Annai langet-mu kalulot-mu pilan puti'on hågu pumo'lo hadi tao para guaha guida hinasu lahin tao para ubinisitagui. Sa fatinas didide dikikenya ki angeles sa corona gui ni minalak enenra. Fanmagas todo ni kanaimu todo pumo'lo gipapayedenya. Ikinilu nubidu todo adu taiguanawa igatga nigaigi gifangwaluan. Ipaharu gilanget zaniguihan gitasi zahafa ni malolofan gitalanitasi. O Hehoba Señot-måmi, håfa nå'an-mu tano. So that's the end of the psalm. It's a really short one, which I thought would lend itself well to kind of kicking off this kind of study session. I did write just a couple of sentences in CHamoru about some of my thoughts for today. I think I'll continue trying to challenge myself to narrate either the events in my life or just, like I said, my thoughts or my feelings with what's going on in my immediate surroundings. So here goes. Kumu Cristiano, huhongi na mangay peka todo itaw siha. Hutatli ice. Sena etsong tinagwetgweniha gita Minnesota. Para fanmanataka siha ini nalanatla pariotru. Fanatitude håfa malolofan guini put favor. Munga mabira imatamu. Tadudutiham. Taduduti I tiny na sinya niha ni mangay gigigimat niha put favor. Sign of Asi.